Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody has a problem doing this. It's called screen door effect, and I'm going to call it text effect. So what he's doing, it doesn't work for him. The intersect tool doesn't work for him. So I'm just going to make it a light gray. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to go to effects, texture, and screen door. It's going to take just a second. And there's three different settings you can set. I'm not going to play with them, but if you look now, it looks like an old screen door. So let's take this text, and you got to be able to see it on top, and you can't. So we're going to go to Object Order Front of Page. And then when we select it all, the intersect tool is gone. It's grayed out, so it's not working. Well, if you will take this, go up to Effects, no, excuse me, no, go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. I'm going to make it a grayscale and hit OK. And then I would strongly suggest you nudge it out of the way, because I didn't intersect it. So take it, and now the intersect tool shows up. And now nudge that out of the way, and then you can nudge your outline. So you could have it either way. You could have it without the outline or with the outline. The only problem I could probably see with this, so that I think it really would need an outline, even though it maybe not, depending on what they're doing with this. The only thing I can think of is that there's going to be white in there. So it's not transparent. It's not like a true screen. But it all depends. If they're printing it, they might want that. Anyway, I hope that helped and answered his question, and thank you for watching.